Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solid Lizard token. Ticker symbol is SLIZ. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Solid Lizard token. So just got listed on CoinMarketCap within the last, it says 7 hours ago actually. It just got listed on CoinMarketCap, so very brand new listing here. This is on the Arbitrum blockchain. They have their Arbiscan on here. SolidLizard.finance is their official webpage. They also have a Twitter, a Medium, and a Discord all listed on CoinMarketCap. Price today is sitting at about 41.1 cents per token. This token is up 15.53% right now. So I'm assuming this is on SushiSwap. Let me just check. Okay, so it's on Uniswap on the Arbitrum blockchain. So basically, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Coin98 wallet, any one of your decentralized wallets, Coinbase wallet, with Ethereum from the Arbitrum blockchain. That's how you would do it. And then you would go into Uniswap and you would search the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their official webpage, solidlizard.finance, or on their Arbiscan. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And then you would trade your ETH, your Arbitrum ETH, for the Solid Lizard token using that contract address. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's like taxes and whatnot in the tokenomics. And just be aware there is going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So besides that, if you want to find updates, follow their socials. If you want more information, go over to solidlizard.finance. Pretty cool artwork on here so that you can connect your wallet and you can use their app. They have their own application. Solid Lizard Swap is the name of their application. It is a V33 permissionless liquidity market, community-oriented on Arbitrum. And you can launch the app. It says low fees on stable and volatile swaps, profits shared between VE lockers, and protocol-owned liquidity only on Arbitrum 1. They have documentation, it looks like, on their page here. Let's see if that works. Take you over to Gitbook. Solidlizard.gitbook.io is where you can find all the documentation. So it says, Solid Lizard's a DEX built on Arbitrum, offers low-cost exchanges and reduced swap fees using a governance model, which was developed by Andre Conji and introduced by Solidly. This system rewards active users' participation through voting, bribes, and decisions on whether to lock or unlock the governance token. When a majority of users lock their tokens, they can enjoy the economic benefits of the V33 model, including increased token yield and reduced inflation of native tokens while controlling the circulating supply of the token. The goal of the V33 structure is to create an environment where users can actively choose to collaborate and create a cycle of growth that reinforces itself over time. So it talks about the team. They're based in Europe and Asia. So they have a getting started guide as well. So a wallet setup. To use the Solid Lizard protocol, you will need an external wallet such as MetaMask that is compatible with the Arbitrum 1 network. So that's basically what I was talking about earlier. Same sort of thing on how to acquire this token. You would need the same sort of wallet, Arbitrum wallet, a decentralized wallet, and then you'll be able to also use the Solid Lizard swap as well. So same idea. And besides that, to use Solid Lizard, you should switch to the Arbitrum One network by clicking on your current chain at the top of your wallet and selecting Add Network. And then it shows you exactly how to do that. So there's also bridges. Bridging to Arbitrum One is pretty easy. We recommend you use one of the bridges below. They have great liquidity, low slippage, and proved their reliability over time. You can use them to bridge from most EVM chains like Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Avalanche, etc. to Arbitrum One mainnet. So they have two links on their Gitbook here, one to the multi-chain app and one to Synapse. And then there's another one here, Seabridge, and Stargate as well. There's a bunch of them you can choose from on here. So you can provide liquidity on here. Solid Lizard allows users to earn income through liquidity provisioning by adding liquidity to the incentivized gauges. Users will receive a share of the rewards allocated to those gauges based on the amount of liquidity they have provided. However, the liquidity providers do not receive any swap fees from the gauge's trading volume. Instead, their income is generated through the rewards distributed by VESLIZ to the gauge. 50% of the swap fees. So then they go over fees and distribution mechanisms. They utilize two different price curves, the Uniswap V2 and the Curve Stable Swap. So they have whitelisting on here, information about that, how to use the Boost calculator. So this they do have an audit on here. So they were audited by PeckShield, and you can view their audit on their Gitbook here as well. Lots of socials you could check out. They talk about incentives and emissions, the VESLIZ token, protocol-owned liquidity, and airdrops to protocols. So the VESLIZ token rewards people who lock more of their SLIZ tokens to use them to increase their voting power. So basically it's the voting power, but then you also get rewarded for locking those tokens. So that's what the VESLIZ token is. So yeah, check out this token. It just got listed on CoinMarketCap. Check out their webpage. Check out the app. Check everything out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.